Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Hope you had a lovely weekend. Today is Monday the 6th of November and we are going to look back at Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's do this. Let's start with Friday's trades, guys. So I'm going to start with the trade that I got in and it was pound US dollar. And we were looking to buy pound US dollar. Why were we looking to buy it? Well, we go to the day chart. You can see, guys, that structurally it was in a downtrend here. Okay, but then bang, we got higher highs, was in an uptrend. You know, it's scruffy price action, but then we were getting lower highs. Then price shot back up again and we got higher highs. And then from that point, really, guys, we've just been in an uptrend because these lows haven't broken. All right. So it's not easy to read this structurally, but that's what I was seeing. If we now zoom in, guys, we can also see that we had this candle. Okay, so this bullish candle broke these highs here because that could have been potential resistance, but the body of this candle broke that high. And then it just told me we have enough room to come into this gray zone. Okay, so that was the idea. The blue line was my target. And obviously we had NFPs and this drove price up. But I'm going to show you how I traded this. So if we drop down to the H1 now, okay, because this is pretty much a H1 trade, really. It's difficult to zoom in because of this. Look, yeah, NFPs, baby. So I'm going to try and explain it. So down here, guys, we was in a H1 uptrend. And then we got this candle, which doesn't look very bullish because this moves so big, but it was. Okay, let me just get rid of this and then zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so you can see, guys, we had, let's even do that. No, not that. There we go. So, yeah, we had this candle. I actually entered on this candle because it was bouncing off of this trend line. Okay, so we entered here with a view to put our stop down here. But we can always move this stop once price starts moving. Okay, so that was the entry in here, guys. I mean, you also had another strong candle here, but this was the candle we got in on. And guys, I put all of these trades in my VIP Discord channel. I put exactly this trade in the VIP Discord and exactly how I traded it. And how I traded it was as follows. So we entered here, stop loss down here, and then the target was back up to this blue zone. Okay, we entered here, stop here. So I'd have got roughly 1:1. All right, but what actually happened, guys, was we had the news coming out. And again, I still can't zoom in. So once price, we had entered here. Okay, once price got back up to these highs here, I actually took some profit. Okay, because we knew NFPs was coming out. So I took some profit in here. I actually closed 60% of my trade. Okay, then I moved my stop loss from down here to below, these last H1 swing lows. And then I was just going to let 40% rip during the NFPs. Yeah, because I had covered my trade. Either way, I would have been, roughly break even or I'd make a lot of profit. And this is what happened, guys. I just let the trade run from here. And then, as you know, NFPs come out and it just kept ripping. Yeah, it just ripped up. I actually closed at around 2,350 psychological level in here for a very nice profit, guys. That was a really nice trade. It's nice when you can trade the news and you've covered your risk. Yeah, it was a sort of a free hit at the news, guys. And I explained all of this in my VIP Discord. So pound US dollar was a very nice trade. Also, guys, Euro Swiss franc was our second trade idea from Friday. And we were looking to buy this. Why were we looking to buy this? Well, for very clear and obvious reasons. Yeah, we was in a downtrend. Okay, then we were in an uptrend. Yeah, we had this bullish candle. We could see that this level here was holding. Yeah, and the idea was just to take price back up to this next area of resistance, this blue line here. This one I didn't get into. I was already in pound US dollar, but this one, if we look at, let's look at the H1 actually. So we get a break. Yeah, once I got this H1 break, So let me talk you through the trade a bit clearer. So it was all about this level. So I pinpointed this level at the start of the day. If we got a break, a retest, we could start entering. And that would have been a nice trade, really. You'd be in profit. But I didn't enter this because of the following. So we got the break. This candle broke this grey zone. So therefore, I'm just waiting for a retrace. But when the retrace came, you know, I at least waited for the next H1 candle to finish. And that candle does not tell me to buy. Yeah, this doesn't, this doesn't, this doesn't. This does, but this was NFPs. All right, so it wasn't that clear to get in, guys, really. If we drop down to the H4, this was also not clear. I mean, look at these H4 candles. Those are not buying candles, selling candle and a rejection wick. Okay, so it just made it difficult to trade Euro Swiss franc. So I didn't. But those were the two trades from yesterday's, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed Friday's analysis, maybe you took one of the trade ideas and would like to receive my trade ideas every single day, then come join the channel, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel and the vid. Dankeschön, shukran, gracias. So trades for Monday the 6th of November, guys. Before I get started, let me just mention a few cool things that the channel does. So first of all, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free, so come join it, guys. We've got traders in there sharing knowledge, trade ideas. We've got indicators, we've got books, useful links, loads of cool things, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help with anything. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, like the pound US dollar yesterday. We have two other traders sharing their trade ideas, give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach, and we're test driving a new strategy that's really showing some promise. So loads of value in there, guys. Come join the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to read the charts like I do, then I offer a mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, guys, drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Also, guys, if you watch the live stream, the analysis vid every single day, then why not show your support for the channel? You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and we've got gold, and each tier has many perks, guys. So check that out as well. And finally, guys, don't forget live stream. Is it 8 a.m. or is it going to be 7 a.m. EST time? This is very important. We will clarify this. The editor will put out a message, but it's 4 p.m. Gulf Standard Time, okay, is the time of the live stream where you can ask me a load of questions. Okay, right, trades for Monday the 6th of November, guys. So, you know, generally speaking, we have seen some US dollar weakness come into the market. I mentioned this on Friday, and it was sustained off the back of all the news on Friday. And we are seeing Swiss franc weakness, which I also discussed on Friday, and that is also sustained weakness, okay? So this is generally what we're seeing in the markets. And that has led to a couple of trades, obviously. So there's lots of US dollar weakness, but some of them, like Aussie dollar, US dollar, for example, if we look at the day chart, you know, it's literally at resistance, so we can't trade it. If we look at US dollar, Canadian dollar, you know, again, I would like to short this. I think we can do this and then this. But again, we're at support, all right? Same with New Zealand dollar, US dollar. You know, we're literally at resistance. But we do have some US dollar majors that are not at support or resistance. And the first trade idea for today is euro against the US dollar. Okay, because we have a little bit more room to move into. So, yeah, euro US dollar, we want to buy this pair. Why do we want to buy it? Well, yeah, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. Yeah. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, bit of a range, and then bang. Yeah, we got a break. So we now got higher highs. Yeah, so we're clearly in an uptrend, guys. And we've got a very bullish candle that broke through resistance. And we've got a bit of room to move into. These are all the things I look at, guys, and these are the reasons I enter a trade. Okay, and you need reasons to enter a trade yourself, guys. All right. So euro against the US dollar, we're looking to buy. If we drop down to the H4 now, we need a retrace because we haven't got much room here. Yeah. So we need a retrace. And what I'd like to see, guys, is a retrace down to this gray zone. Yeah, we get a retrace down to here. We get a bullish reaction in here. And then we can start taking price back up to here. It might just shoot up and hit target. And if that's the case, guys, you know, I don't have a trade. But if we get the retrace, get the value, yeah, and then we can start buying it. All right, so euro US dollar. The next one is pound US dollar, my mother country sterling currency. Anyway, day chart. Yeah, as you know, yeah, the pound, we were buying this on Friday. This makes us happy traders. But anyway, guys, it's still a trade idea for today as well. So we were in a downtrend, bang, uptrend, but not sure what this is, okay? But bang, yeah, we're clearly in an uptrend now. We've broke this last significant high, and we've got higher highs. It's even broke this one as well. And we've got a, you know, super duper bullish candle. That's a technical term. And we've got some room to move into. Okay. So lots of reasons to like this trade. Again, if we go to the H4, I need a retrace, guys. You can clearly see this is very overbought. There's no value here. Me buying it here. There's no value. I won't do that. So what do I want to see? I want to see a retrace down to this area. Okay. Where it reacts with this last daily high, yeah, and we get a bullish reaction, we can start buying, okay? Or it might want to retrace further. It might want to retrace to this level here, which this is also a daily high, yeah? And it might want to do this. Hopefully the moving average 20 catches up a bit, yeah? And then again, we get a bullish reaction and we can start buying pound US dollar. That's what I'm looking for out of the US dollar majors. And then I also mentioned to you Swiss franc weakness. So that's going to be the catalyst for my next two trades that I'm going to show you. But before I show you the next two trades, guys, if I can ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now. Yeah. Also, everyone, please smash the like button right now if you're enjoying my trade ideas. And also, don't forget all the cool things we do, guys. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program. And we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership, guys. All right. All the details for all of these things are in the video description. Right. Next trade ideas is this. It's a bit of deja vu, but with Swiss franc pairs. So first one we're looking at is Euro Swiss franc. Okay, because again, yeah, we were in a downtrend and then kapow. Yeah. What am I doing here? This is, I haven't had enough vodka this morning, guys. Let me just draw that line again. Yeah. And then you can see that line's not much better. I apologize for my drawing of the mouse. But we're in an uptrend is my point. Yeah. This is the last higher low. Okay. And we've also broken this level. So if we zoom in a little bit now, guys, you can see that we've broken these last highs. And therefore, this candle, which is also bullish, this is a continuation of trend. And again, we've got a little bit of room to move into. Okay. If we drop down to the H4 now, you know, we've got this level. Okay. And then hopefully the moving average 20 will catch up as well. So, guys, yeah, if price reacts in here, we get a bullish reaction. We can then, you know, take price up to here. It might retrace down to this gray zone, okay, back down to this psychological level here. If it does, again, we just want to see a bullish reaction. We need reasons to enter the trade at these levels. And I talk about this in my VIP Discord channel. And yeah, again, we'll buy back up to there. Okay. And you've guessed it, guys. The last trade idea is pound Swiss franc. Okay. And it's a similar story. Okay. So pound Swiss franc, guys, it was all about this level. We were like, will this hold? Will price push down? But no, it's broken through this important level. Yeah, you can see with this candle. Not only that, guys, you know, we are in an uptrend. So again, we was in a downtrend. And then bang, we're in an uptrend. Okay, very similar chart to Euro Swiss franc, obviously. Yeah, bullish candle, breaking these last highs, breaking through this area of resistance. You know, the idea is to take it back up to this blue line, the next piece of resistance, and a nice psychological level of 1,200. So that's the idea. If we drop down to the H4 now, what do I want to see? So yeah, that's that grey zone. Look how much price has reacted here. So we can expect a reaction in here as well. So that's what I want to see, guys. If we zoom in, yeah, I want to see price retrace into this grey zone. Perhaps the moving average 20 catches up with it. We get a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying pound Swiss franc. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my 4 trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. News for Monday, the 6th of November, guys. So there's a few 2-star ratings here, but I consider these 3-star ratings. So let me just explain. So if you're up early enough for this, at 12:30 London GMT, we've got services PMI coming out of Japan. And that's a 3-star rating for me. And this could move any yen pair. And then we've got more PMI data. So at 8:55 coming out of the Euro, specifically Germany, we've got services PMI. Okay, again, very important. It's like inflation for businesses. 5 minutes later at 9 o'clock coming out of the Euro, we've got composite and services PMI. So all of this PMI data could really move any Euro pair. At 9:30 London GMT, we've got construction PMI. So again, a 3-star rating for me. And then at 3 o'clock, coming out of Canada, we've got the Ivy PMI. So another 3-star rating that could move any Canadian dollar pair. And then other than that, guys, no other news to speak of. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later today. Get your questions ready, and I'll see you later, guys.